Hi guys, hope you're well. So me and Tesco, we're back to help you with a delicious recipe that helps you get more of your 5 fruit and veg a day into your diet. You're gonna love this one. We're gonna make a cheats pizza, a tray-baked pizza with crushed tomatoes, basil, mushrooms, spinach, mozzarella cheese. And the great thing is, Tesco, they're also gonna do Clubcard Prices for fruit and veg this month. So enjoy. So we're gonna start off with the mushrooms. I want 4 beautiful, large field or portobello mushrooms. Grab that little bit of skin like that and peel it off. It allows it to cook in a nicer way. It allows it to be open to other flavors. These little trimmings, don't throw them away. They're big on flavor. Great in gravies, soups, stews, stuff like that. So we're gonna go into our tray. I'm gonna get a nice little red onion, cut that into quarters, and just break these up. 4 cloves of garlic go in, leave the skins on. Give it a little drizzle of olive oil, then give it a little shake around. That goes into the oven for 20 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius, and the mushrooms will just kind of get more tasty, more delicious, more tender, and then the onions will just go sweet and delicious along with the garlic. Okay, the dough. 400 grams of self-raising flour. Brilliant, because it's already got the raising agent in there. A nice pinch of salt for seasoning. 240 milliliters of cold water. Mix this up. So in no time at all, you can see how the dough has cleaned the side of the bowl. Lose the fork now. So just move it around, give it a little knead, get it nice and smooth, and then there you go. It'll be crispy on the outside, spongy on the inside. And look, we'll put that down now on a clean surface. You can cover that if you want to. Now, I want to show you what to do next. There's a trick in that freezer that I use all the time, and I love it, and it's frozen spinach. Nutritionally, it's fantastic. 2 of these is one of your 5 fruit and veg a day. So I've got 8, and that defrosts to this much. This is going on the pizza. So look, that pizza base will rest. I'll show you what to do next. So the mushrooms have had 20 minutes. Ho-ho! There's like a little pool of like clear juices. It's like the ultimate kind of broth. So with the garlic, you can let those cool down and just squeeze them out of the skins. Inside, it's soft, it's sweet, and it's delicious. You can see how the mushrooms have shrunk up. That means you've intensified the flavor. See all this sticky stuff at the bottom here? So mix the onions, the garlic, and the juices around and just sweep them out of the tray. Grab your defrosted spinach, squeeze out some of that excess juice, and then I'm gonna use this spinach to clean this tray and mop up all of those juices. And that is your toppings ready to go. Add just a little bit of oil to the bottom of that tray. Give it a little rub in and up the sides. Take that cheats pizza base, and I'm just gonna let gravity, just let it sort of hang a little bit, and then we'll flop it into that tray and push it out into the edges. So this is gonna be deep pan, it's gonna be delicious. Then we're gonna go in with some tomatoes. 1 tin, I'm just gonna take the plum tomatoes out at the moment and keep back some of that juice for a little bit later. It's another one of your 5 fruit and veg a day. A little pinch of salt and pepper. Next, spinach. Look at the colors. Look at that. I'm gonna use 125 grams of pre-grated mozzarella. Sprinkle that on top. This is gonna hold the spinach and the tomatoes together in the most beautiful way. Then I can go on with those gorgeous mushrooms. Now it's starting to look extraordinary. Got the garlic in there, the onions. What I love about this is so many of us get kind of takeaway pizzas. This will be a lot cheaper. It's a lot more nutritious. It's probably gonna be even tastier. A few little bits of that extra tomato sauce, beautiful. And there you go, it's gonna be amazing. One more tip, get this onto a big gas hob or electric hob, get it on full whack for about 1 minute. What does that do? It guarantees you a crispy bottom. It guarantees you that kind of rise, that fluffiness. And just 1 minute, you'll hear it start to sizzle. This now goes into the oven for about 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes if you need, until golden, crispy, and delicious. And then you're gonna have the most delicious tray-baked cheats pizza. Yes. So the pizza's had 15 minutes. Let's have a look. Look at that. 4 nice portions. It's thick, it's substantial, it's got all the good stuff in there. Pick off some of those lovely small basil leaves. Get your knife, just kind of go around the edge. A nice crispy bottom. Balsamic vinegar, just a little drizzle. My kids love that. It should sound nice when I cut into this. Hot, steamy. You can see how crispy that is around the edge. Come on. It's gonna be hot, isn't it? It's gonna be really hot. It's oozy. It's really gorgeous. It's very hot, but very delicious. So there you go, guys, Traybake pizza. If you want the recipe, get online, get down to Tesco, get the ingredients, have a little cook up. I know that if you do this, you'll be really proud of yourself. A one tray wonder, but it's full of love. Take care.